His name is Habib and his nickname is Abdul, and he looks like Imran Hashmi. Funny thing is his beard. His message, I wish him good luck. Now I want to know how many of you here wants to become the Prime Minister of our country. What all things would you incorporate for the development of the country? For a day. First of all, the Prime Minister is the executive head of the country. And if I would get a chance to become the Prime Minister of our country for a day, I would choose well experienced, educated and ethical person as my cabinet ministers and allot them the different departments according to their experience. The CBI and other investigative agencies would be autonomous, such as RAW and the intelligence department. I will take certain steps to bring up all the educational institutions and the health facilities to reach the grassroots level. The roadways and the railway network of our country would reach the nook and corner of the country, so the transportation of people who live in the remote areas of the country would become easier. I would improve the development system, farming and irrigation structure. See, what does it mean is, farmers in our country now in this current stage are using all sorts of outdated old items which are hindering the growing crops of the country. So I would take certain steps and reform them to take new equipments so that the production of crops of our country is good and it increases. I would reform and train the defense sector of our country, which means defense such as army in the country are leaving their families behind and living in the border, protecting the nation throughout the year, for which they are paid very low. They are living in unfortunate, bad living conditions. So I would develop the defense sector of our country. More important thing, I would not be a puppet like a prime minister who will not be a remote control sort of a thing in front of the high command. And I would take defense and the home ministry under my purview, as these are the vital organs for the development of the country. I would maintain peace and friendly relationships with my neighboring countries as well, and at the same time will not tolerate any kind of misadventures. So by these steps taken by me, I will do my best for my country as well as for my people. Thank you.